garden. Like I said, I'm going to use pallets as a trellis for my peas, but underneath this trellis, I'm going to plant some lettuce. Because lettuce is a cool crop, and as you can see, we can plant this pretty early. I'm going to go ahead and get mine planted. It says January, and guess what month we're in? And I'm just going to scatter that out on the ground here. As you can see, these seeds are very tiny, and you will not be able to see them as I put them in the ground. The reason I'm planting them under my arbor of pallet and under these peas is because we're still going to get a frost, and I can cover those with row cover and perhaps even another tarp if I need to help them last a little longer. They should do pretty well. What I planted was a black seeded Simpson, and I'm just going to lightly move my soil around so that it covers up those seeds. There we go. Okay, here are my pallets. Now I had to expand this one out a little bit to make sure we had a good tilt. And then I'll train those to grow up on the outside, but I'll have room for my lettuce to grow and be able to keep it protected. And we have a great little project. Nice little DIY project. Now here are my peas in my covered garden. I think you remember me showing you this last year. So what I'll do is tie strings up to support those and probably get some more in the ground as I enjoy my other winter crops. Look how good those look. So here's our final product, and before I forget, go ahead and subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, like, comment, share, and I hope that you'll try this in your garden. This pallet will be a great asset to trailing my peas. Here's my little garden. And I told you I was going to put up pallets to go ahead and use as a trellis. Okay, so here are my pallets.